G'day everyone, my name's Troy Irwin, I'm from the Northern Rivers. I have recently entered into a business partnership and we came along to this meeting this weekend with Venture Organics to try to get some structure and some clear steps on how to move forward with our business partnership. It's a brand new business partnership. We were really unsure about each other. We knew about our values, but we were really still working out who each other was and getting to know each other. Same with the business. We were really still at the start with our business. It was a little bit all over the place. We had so many ideas. So we thought we'd come along to this weekend to get some structure around that really linear way of looking at our business and getting some clear steps forward. It was really interesting during the weekend. That's what I thought I was going to get. I got that, but so much more. I thought I was getting a standard business development or business mentoring program. This is different. It's a business mentoring program with heart and integrity, and I was really surprised. I was really pleasantly surprised at how it turned out. My business partner and I were closer as a result of this weekend than we would have been after 6 months of working together. It was a really intensive, close, emotional journey for us through this weekend. We got clear on our business. We got clear on what investors would want. We got clear on what our next steps were. And we got clear on what we need to do in the next 90 days. So what I'd really say to anyone who's thinking about doing one of these weekends, I'd say absolutely do it, but be prepared to be surprised. It's not what you think.